just so you know that my bedroom's not always tidy. Brilliant. I hate wearing lip gloss with my hair. Now my hair's quite short, but it's still really annoying. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a room tour. It's something I've wanted to do for ages. My room is somewhat at where I want it to be. It's a bit of a mixture between like my hippie vibes, because I love like intricate things. Then I've got kind of like studying going on and like my basicness of makeup. So it's a bit of a mixture of things, but I like it, it's cozy, and it's how I've wanted it for ages. So I'm just going to jump straight into it now, because I'm sure you don't want to hear my voice babbling on for too long. And I'm going to go into the room tour. My door, which has like this like little entrance way. So this is packed, and actually a lot of this needs to be hung up in my wardrobe. I just haven't got around to it yet. So I've just got things like my jackets I use, just my everyday jackets really. This filler jumper which needs to be hung up, but I just haven't got around to hanging it up yet, and I don't really want to keep it on my bed. This I actually got from Depop. Is so nice. But when you turn around, this is what you see. I'm actually going to go put these lights on because you actually can't see them on. So this is everything. As I said, it's kind of a mixture of all my different moods. Start off down here, I just keep my Vans box. The Vans aren't in it at the moment, they're on top, and my Doc Martens. I normally also keep my normal trainers here as well, but I didn't really want to clutter the room, so they're all downstairs while it's the summer. When you turn around, you actually see this footstool first, with loads of rubbish underneath it. Actually, I think this is attached to the footstool. This is from Aldi's, and I think it was like £29, but it goes with my room. Like, I really like the legs, and it's just this like dark faux fur stool, like a footstool, but I've been using it to keep my vinyl on, which is really dusty. I literally brought this vinyl like 2 days ago, but at the moment they're doing building work outside, so everything's really dusty at the moment. So as you can see, I'm just playing Blossoms. It is one of my favourite vinyls. I just love a vinyl. It just makes your room look so much more cozier. There's just something about it. I'm going to take that off before I get copyrighted though. The vinyl I have isn't a Crosley, it's just kind of like a similar version. It was a lot cheaper, and I wanted to spend money on vinyls rather than the actual vinyl player itself. Then down here I just have my washing basket. As I said, I had to put some away. This is from Sainsbury's, and I really love this. So they came out with this like boho collection last year. Had lots of really nice things, and that washing basket I saw before I even got my room redecorated, and I really wanted it. So it's something that my mum purchased for my room. It's just kind of like hippie and boho, kind of beach style rug, quite predominantly when you walk in the room. So I wanted like a tapestry style rug, but they're actually quite expensive. So I actually brought a tapestry in Spain to go up on this wall here, which I wanted to leave blank for my selfies and stuff in the mirror. And I also had another tapestry which I laid over the top of my radiator just while I'm not using it. And I actually really like it. It just really goes with the room and like the whole vibe of the room. So the next thing I'm going to go on to is my desk area. So the desk is from IKEA. I love this. It's the Alex drawer desk. It's really dirty. I use it all the time. It's got makeup and stuff on it. This chair, I'm not sure where I got it from. I just wanted a cheap chair. Normally my jacket goes over the top of this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So this lamp is got this marble bottom to it, and it's actually really heavy. Again, my mum got this for my room. It's just like geometric, and the reason the light bulb looks like this is it's actually got like fairy lights in it instead of a light bulb. It's like a fairy light bulb. It doesn't work at the moment. I think the bulb's gone flat. It works, but it's very I don't know if I can turn it on. Yeah, I haven't even got it plugged in. It's just very dim at the moment because I've used it so much. I've also got this fake plant from IKEA. Actually, I think it might be real. Oh my god, it's real. Oh no. It's actually real. Okay, this is a real plant from IKEA, which I have not watered in like a year. So I'm glad that's still kind of surviving. Then I've just got this clock. This wasn't on my desk. I only put it on here like a week ago when I started studying again. It's just really handy to look at the time without your phone being on your desk when you're studying. Then I've just got some Tipp-Ex, and I've also got some paper clips around the back there as well, with my stapler and just this like little notebook. It's really handy for English. It's also really handy to put in your school bag. So this is quite a nice little feature to my desk. Great mood. Then I just have this mirror, which I got from, I want to say it's Dunelm. It was from Dunelm. It was from Dunelm. They had a circle one, they had a triangle one and the square one, but I actually really like the square one because my whole room's kind of geometric, so it just kind of went with it. Then I've got my fairy lights plugged in, which go all the way up here, so that's really nice. And then I've also just got a phone charger as well for when I am at my desk. Here I just have a little to-do list, and I have my Shakespeare language for when I'm studying. These random pair of earrings which I'm never going to wear, but they look good there, so I'm just going to keep them there for the moment. They kind of go with the rose gold thing. And then just a picture. I normally put in like new homework or new Polaroids which need hanging up there. And this is from my dad. So he actually had this. It was like an antique wall holder thing. I don't actually know what you predominantly use it for, but I've actually got these command hooks, so it's actually just on this plastic hook, and they're really, really good. I'll actually link them down below because a lot of the stuff on my walls in my room is actually from using those hooks. Candle to light when I'm studying, a few samples which I need to try out from work, or my work company anyway. For God's sake, they won't stay. Then here I've got my makeup brushes. Yeah, so these are just the like circular brushes. I haven't really got around to using them yet. My tweezers and my beauty blender. Then I've just got this little elephant trinket thing. Any of my paper, the bit where you pull the paper out the pad and you rip off the edge, I just keep them in there until it's pretty much full up. Then I have my everything kind of thing. I've got a couple of paint spatulas here. Then I have some makeup brushes which should be in this one, and just mainly my pens, basically, my candle lighter. Down here I just also have a hole punch which I normally keep at school. It's just handy to slip there for my desk. This fake plant which is from Primark, I really like it, and lipstick. Then I also just have this fake plant from IKEA with another elephant trinket. The elephants are actually meant to face towards the door. I did do that with this one, but I need to do that with this one. I have this magazine holder from Wilkinson's. It had like a geometric one which kind of suited this better, but I actually just, I don't know, I really like the look of it. And here I just keep all my textbooks and just a folder for my homework and stuff. And then I just have another Yankee candle here with my mouse holder and my mouse pad for my MacBook for when I need it when I'm studying, and my MacBook's over there. Up here I just have my paper and my pads which I'm currently using, normally homework, and then just some sticky notes and stuff. This one is just my English textbooks, so just the English books I'm currently reading, and a picture of me and my friends down there to motivate me. Doesn't normally work. Here I just keep my flashcards. So these are the flashcards I've already done. A set of headphones when I'm studying and a couple of files. A notebook for when I need it. Then these are just the flashcards which I have not used yet. Just these ones here. And also here as well. This one's my pen drawer. I've got like a mix of things at the moment. So I've just got my washi tapes, my pencil case, which actually slots in there really nicely. This is just from like a beauty box, and I used it as a divider. It's normally more organised than this, but I've been studying quite a lot over the summer. Got my mild liners and just my normal pens. And the bottom is kind of irrelevant. It's just notebooks, which I don't really use anymore, or use them when my other ones are full up. Alex 9 drawers are actually got my makeup in it, and I'm going to do a separate video for that anyway, so stay tuned for that. Then up here I just have my printer. Again, I've got 9 cats and it's disgusting, I know. I actually tend to use the downstairs printer, which is really bad. I should be using my own, but it's just a little bit loud and noisy, and I hate noise, but I will get around to using it again. I don't think it's switched on at the moment. Oh, it is, it's switched on. Now it's going to make loads of noise. Absolutely brilliant. Is it turning off? Please go off. No. Such a bad idea. We'll go with it, we'll go with it. On the top I just have a perfume which I like to grab before I go to school, my makeup remover which I use every day, and I've got my Polaroid camera, a couple of bags. This has got nothing in it, I just use it for my junk when I don't have time to put it away. This one has got headphones, my old DS in it, I don't know why, and then yeah, just a couple of Polaroids which actually need hanging up and I've kept there. Here I have my vinyls. I don't have very many. I just have 21 Pilots, Blossoms, Lana Del Rey, and a load of ABBA albums. Yeah, so this corner is my corner of sin. It just has my ring lights down the bottom and a couple of vitamins which I don't really want to show. Again, you get to this radiator corner where I've just put a tapestry on top of it. I just have my Coach bag, a scrunchie, which I actually thought was a dirty wipe, that's so gross, and my Morphe palette. That's there because I used it the other day. So much fucking noise in this house, man. The books which I need to read are currently reading over the summer. This one's actually an author which we're studying. This one I'm currently reading. These are just ones which I generally want to read, and this is for my English EBQ. I just have this IKEA pot. I'm pretty sure it came with a plant, but I just keep my sunglasses in it at the moment. I know these are really weird. I bought these for Reading. It's just kind of like sesh glasses. So anyways, I got those, just in case you're wondering why I've got those ugly things. Then I just have this spider plant. So again, this is from that Sainsbury's range which I was on about. Again, they have the wooden legs and it's just really, really pretty. Also got some paintbrushes. Then this lovely yellow planter. And I've just got a spider plant in this, and they're actually flowering, which is really rare. So I'm really, really happy that they're starting to flower. That's not meant to happen, but they're stunning. Like rose gold. I think it's a vegetable rack for the kitchen. I use it for my skincare. So here I just have some Lush bath bombs. I know that the prices have gone up so much from Lush, so I only got a couple. I brought these two the other day, and there's just some existing ones there. Then I just keep my skincare headband, which I grab every day, and more Lush products and bath products. These are the bath products I'm currently using. I'm using a Soap and Glory shower foam. Then down here I just have some bigger candles. Why do I leave dirty pads everywhere? That's so disgusting. And just a couple of like tea light holders when I need them. Then down here I keep my tea lights and little candles, which I don't use so much. I just have this doorstop. It's from a garden centre, and I found it and I just thought it was so cute last year. So my nan actually brought this for me, and it's just like a little like sheep, lamb, I don't know, but it's cute anyway, so I keep it there. And this flask, which I keep for school or for when I'm studying again. My wardrobe. Hi. So I wanted to make use of this space because I don't really have much wall space on this side because the wardrobe takes up so much. So I just put these little command hooks, which I was on about again, and they just tear off straight away afterwards. So here I just keep a few like blue charity shop necklaces. I don't tend to wear them, but every now and then I actually will wear them. This one I got from Spain a while ago. Then here I have my pinker necklaces. So this Sakura pendant, it's really, really pretty. My brother got it for my birthday, bless him. And then again, this is just charity shop necklace. And then I have my black necklaces, so just a few pendants there. This sounds really stupid, but I didn't have anywhere to put my belts, so I put a little command hook here and a old hoop earring, which I lost the other one to. And then I just hooked the belts onto it. It's actually worked really, really well, so I'm not complaining. And then a couple of dotted ones for earrings and a missing earring, apparently. Yeah, that's just that little corner. It's quite hippie vibes. I'm really, really happy with it. Then you get to my wardrobe. I love my wardrobe, so it's quite big, but it's really messy. It just comes with these like 5 compartments, like so. Really needs some organisation, and the fairy lights are falling out. And then the other side just consists of my jackets. It doesn't close properly, so I'm not gonna open it up. Here I just keep my school bag. I just want to put it somewhere where I can just grab it all the time, so I just keep it there. And then I have my little bedside table, so this is kind of dirty. So I've got my bin underneath, and then I have an old smoothie which needs chucking away. Then here I keep my skincare items, which I use every night, just so that I can do it when I'm in bed and I'm not lazy enough to not go to the bathroom and do it and I don't forget. This is like a reusable pad, so I just use this for my toner. A candle which has like plant leaves in it. This is a Yankee candle again. This is a soft and comfort one. It's really, really nice and it smells really comforting, but it just smells of like burning, so I'm not really keen on it. Then a lipstick which I need to find the actual lipstick to. Another candle from Primark. I just thought this looked really cute. This planter is from Tesco's. The Tesco's and the plant, which is very, very dead. I think it was like £7, so it's really, really pretty. Then a couple of things which I need to put up on my wall. I'm not going to open up the other one because it's kind of related to where I live. My glasses for nighttime and my Tangle teas are there. And so I think these ones actually run down from the ones which go all around the wall here. And then these ones plug in and they just go on this kind of area, which I'll talk through in a second. I have like my randoms wall and my memorial kind of wall. So I just have a couple of vinyl covers. I don't actually listen to these. They just look kind of cool up there, and a couple of vinyls, which again, I don't listen to. This is from the royal wedding. I probably should have kept that for the sake of our monarchy, but there we are. Random drawing. I got really, really bored and it just kind of de-stressed me, so I just did that. And then just the people who are playing at Oxford O2 Academy for when I want to go listen to some music. Then I have all my Polaroids. I don't have very many because I'm very, very forgetful at actually taking my camera, so I haven't really got a massive collection of them. Here's me at prom, then just a couple of friends, random plants, concerts I've been to. This is a random magazine cover, just thought it would go there. Just says I am. That was like a women's campaign. And this painting, which I haven't finished yet, I put on the wall to remind me that I do actually need to finish it because it kind of looks bare ugly at the moment. So my bed is from, I want to say like Amazon or something, I'm not sure. This isn't a very good bed, honestly. It breaks all the time because it is just wood, but it looks really, really good, and it goes with like kind of the whole wood theme in my bedroom. These cushions have writing on the other side, but I like to turn them the other way so you can't see the writing. The bed sheets from Argos, I go through so many white sheets, I've got loads from different places, and I just keep my MacBook there as well. And then at the end of the bed, I just keep this throw. Again, this is from that Sainsbury's collection. I just think it was such a pretty collection, and I love throwing it over the top of my bed. And I like the way it drapes down onto the floor. It's just so gorgeous. So yeah, that's everything with my room. There isn't really much about it. Oh yeah, that clock and the TV as well. That's what I haven't mentioned. Yeah, there isn't really much to say about it. It's just really cozy and I love it. It took me a while to get to the place I wanted to be. I did have more plants in my room, but as you can see, I'm not very good at telling the difference between real and fake plants. So that tends to end not very well. But yeah, just keep an eye out for the skincare routine and the makeup routine, and I'll go through those drawers as well. But other than that, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment if you want to, maybe suggesting more video ideas for the future. And yeah, that's everything. See you soon. Bye.